ChatGPT just leveled up in a big way as Adobe has integrated its powerhouse suite of editing tools directly into OpenAI's chatbot, and the best part, no subscription needed. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. ChatGPT users can now tackle photo edits, design graphics, and even fix PDFs without leaving the chat, as it now has Photoshop, and it's a game changer. Background removal, exposure fixes, sharpening, effects, all can be done in seconds with simple text commands. Need to remove a background for a header image? Upload, type remove background, and done. No clunky menus, no extra software, just instant, polished results. Adobe Express brings instant design power to the chat. Create graphics, invites, or social posts using templates, adjusting fonts, colors, images, and animations instantly. What used to take an hour can now happen in a fraction of the time, making workflows smoother and faster than ever. Acrobat PDF tools make things even better. Edit text, tweak images, merge files, extract data, compress huge PDFs, or redact sensitive info, all from within ChatGPT. Long, dreaded PDF edits are suddenly simple and hassle-free. This integration transforms ChatGPT from a smart chatbot into a full-on productivity powerhouse. Whether you're editing photos, designing graphics, or managing PDFs, Adobe's tools bring professional-level editing straight into the chat. Free, fast, and effortless. ChatGPT is no longer just for answers or casual conversation. It's now a one-stop solution for creative and office tasks, and it's ready to make everyday work feel ridiculously easy. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.